With this video, we are going to show you just how to add a few different things to your website. So we're going to choose Edit, and then we're going to click into a text box wherever you would want to add whatever it is. So we have lots of different options here. So we have Insert, okay, and we can insert an image, and we can choose a file. So I'm going to try to find a picture file that I would like to add. How about that? It's now uploading. I can click on it and hit OK. And now it's put the picture on there. Now obviously it's pretty big. So to make some changes, you have a few different options here. Right here is your small, medium, large, and original size. So original size is definitely way too big for our website. So we're going to see what large looks like. We can go to medium, and then we can go to small. So depending on what you want, you can on how big you want a picture, you change those settings right here: small, medium, large. You can also change the alignment. Right now it's aligned left. This is to put it in the center of that text box, and then to the right of that text box. So we're just going to center it, and let's go to medium size. You have a few options as far as wrapping, and what that means is if we had a lot of text in here that the picture would be in there, the words would go around the picture instead of just going above or below it. So right now, wrapping off means that any words would not show up on the left or the right of the picture. If I chose wrap on, the words you would see would then go to the side. So this is my new pet. So it's now on the side, comparing it to the different types of wrap. So that's how you insert a picture. And so the next thing we're going to show is inserting a link. Now, there's a few different things. First, when you choose to create a link, first thing it's going to have is all of your pages. Now currently we only have one page, our home page, the main page. We haven't created any other ones, but eventually other ones will show up in this list. But if we wanted it to go to a specific page, this is where we would do it. But we need to click on web address, and we're going to put a link to the school website. So we're going to put in here Eastern Hancock Schools. That's the text that's going to show. It's not, that's what they will actually click on to go to the website. It needs a URL, so we're going to put in here http www.easternhancock.org. and then this is kind of important, and I always suggest clicking on open this link in a new window. Alright, so when people click on that, it's not going to leave your website and go to the new website, and so people will still have your website open in the browser. So we're going to go ahead and hit OK, and here's our link. So if we were to hit save now, this is what our website currently looks like. We click on Eastern Hancock Schools, you'll notice it opened up a new tab, and now it is taking us to the school website. So I'm going to close that tab and get us back here. We're going to choose Edit, and then I'm going to show you the next. we're going to choose insert. Table of contents is somewhat of a complicated thing, probably not going to require you to do that. Basically it gives a list and deals with sub listings, so we're just going to skip those two as they're kind of advanced for a website. We can just enter a horizontal line, and there we go. Now horizontal lines are very good if we need to separate things within a text box. So sometimes when you're typing in a column on a website and you want different sections, and horizontal lines help give you those different sections. So when we hit save, you can now see that we're getting ready. There's a horizontal line there. Let's go back to edit and see what else we can do. Recent posts, there's things what we call gadgets, and you're going to be required to do a few gadgets, and so you're going to be able to insert an announcements page. If you do an announcements page, it works kind of like a blog, and then you can create recent post thing, so your most recent things would show up on your main front page, but we'll get to that later. There's calendars. These are a lot of Google documents you can put in here, so we will get to that as well. Your presentation, spreadsheets, and even videos. So that is it for this video. Next video I believe is going to be about how to create pages.